Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Due to the restrictions on Binance P2P in Nigeria, many users are wondering how to deposit and withdraw funds. The good news is that you can still do this through Binance's Fiat section. Simply go to Trade, Fiat, select Deposit and GM, choose Bank Transfer with Cash Link, enter the amount and transfer the money to the generated bank account. Once confirmed, the NGN will appear in your funding wallet where you can use it to buy USDT or Bitcoin or convert it into other cryptocurrencies. To withdraw, convert your crypto back to NGN if needed. Go to Fiat, withdraw, enter the amount, and follow the instructions to receive the funds directly in your bank account. While Binance's regular P2P marketplace is no longer available in Nigeria, this method still allows you to move money in and out of Binance easily. If you prefer a full P2P experience, platforms like Upbit remain a popular alternative. Thanks for watching.